My name is Jay and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be going over a shopping haul. Oh my goodness. Deals, deals, and more deals. I am a lover of getting great quality pieces at amazing prices. I personally, I don't really go shopping as much. I'm not like a shopaholic. I prefer to have boxes coming to me in the mail. I love to unwrap them and be like, "Ooh, what did I get? What did I order?" But when I go to the mall or I go out, I like to get quality pieces at a great price. And I have found some amazing deals that I would like to share with you. And I will be linking all of the links in the description boxes so that if there's still these deals available, you can be able to get them for yourself because they are so good. So first thing I'm going to start off with is I'm going to start off in a store that I really do not shop in. I'm going to start off in Modell's because I am not a dress down person. I'm more of a dress up person. So I really never really go into Modell's. And so, however, when you're getting 60% off or 50% off or 70, why not? You never know what you find. So, first thing first is I found these pants. These are, first of all, how adorable, okay? So adorable. They have lipstick and lip pencils, and lips on there. And the material is so soft. These are bottoms out, gal. I mean, they very cute. I mean, long. I feel like these, you can wear these at night or you could wear these out in the street. I would probably wear these as night pants just because of the look of them. But they are so adorable. And I also got these pair as well. Now, how could you do wrong with these? Okay. Now, both pair, these were 50% off. Okay. So about $6, and look at that. The material is so soft. I don't know if you can see that, but it's so soft. Both of these, they just feel really good. And wearing these with a pair of heels, I think, or even flats with a nice blouse, I think would go really, really nice. Great quality, and they stretch. I mean, I think that was a very good deal. And next, because I am a girl of I love to dress up, I was so floored by these dresses that I purchased because the price was so nice. I mean, it really was. I was shocked and I couldn't believe it. So this is Windsor. And first thing first was this dress. Now, who doesn't need a white dress? White dresses are, and I travel a lot, so having white when I go away or in the summertime, like instead of having your little black dress, a little white dress, oh my goodness. But look at this. It's like taffeta or something. I mean, this is a great dress you wear, I guess, if you're not the bride. You don't really want to wear white to a wedding, but like maybe if you're going to like somebody's party or whatever, those all white parties. Great classic dress. Cinched in waist, but look at the back. Look at that back. Hello. And then all I have to do is just add that piece here. Comes down and it is lined with some organza. I'm not really sure. And it's lined. You would not believe. $5. The original price, $655, $54.90. $5 special. $5 special. And it looks so adorable on. Oh my goodness, so adorable on. Are you, let me ask you, are you one of those people who when you buy clothes in a store that you have to try them on? Because I don't know about you, but I'm definitely one of those. If you have to try clothes on when you go to the store, put that in the comment box. Let me know. Because I don't know about you, but every one of these sizes are different. This is a medium. Those leopard, well, these are extra small. These are small. These are extra small. Then the other one was a small. It's like I never know what size. Every store is something different, so I always have to try them on. So I'd like to know if you are someone who always have to try your clothes on too. So I think this was an awesome buy. This is a great. I can't wait to wear this. I really can't. And by the way, have you subscribed yet? Well, what are you waiting for, love? Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way you can be informed when videos like this and others are uploaded. And don't forget to like so that I know to keep videos like this coming. Items that I have are these Maxi Sundresses. I love a sundress. Look how adorable this is. It has lace at the top. It's kind of like flowers on it. I hope you can see that. And then it has this band which is see-through, so you can see through your skin. And then this long black skirt that also has a split in it, so you can show a little leg, give them a little something something. And it is also has like a little lining in it. Also has a little lining in it. The back is, I believe it's a crisscross back. Oh my goodness. And ladies, for the front, yeah, it looks so nice. It really is so shapely, and it looks beautiful. Now, the one dress, this was a medium. This is an extra small. It's like, for me, I always have to try them on. But this looks beautiful on. As you can see, it's nice, free-flowing, and light. Beautiful for the beach. Going out, you know, with your man or with the ladies, or even as a dress that you can wear during the day. And because I do love white, and I'm always going to events where you have to wear white, I got another one in white. Sometimes you just have to do a double take. When you can get it at these great prices, sometimes I feel like, let me just buy every color they have, you know? Oh, and what was the original price on this, did I say? Usually $35. So, I mean, it's not an expensive thing, but, you know, $35 and you can get it for $5. That was a great buy to me. It was a great buy. And what I loved about them is all of these pieces just looked really nice. They fit really, really well. And at these prices, I mean, I love getting things, like I said, nice quality pieces. Like, you can really take this. You know, sometimes you get dresses and stuff and they're not lined, and you know, I like pieces that are quality but at a good price. So some of the other goodies that I received is went to New York & Co. These are some, now I don't know about you ladies, but I love me a print. Leopard print, snake print, you know, anything like that. Well, just to be real, I love any I love polka dots, I love lace. But look at these silk pants with this snake print. Oh my goodness, how adorable. These are like joggers. Yeah, you can wear these. The bottom have this elastic as well. You can wear this with a pump, or you can wear it with a sneaker, or you can, well, like a cute sneaker, a feminine like sneaker, not like a athletic shoe. You can wear these with flats. You can dress this up. You can dress these down. I mean, how adorable. You can wear them in the house if you just choose just to lounge around in something cute. I think that this is a great buy. And these were, I think these were like 10, okay, they were $50, but I only paid $15 for these. These were 15. So great buy, and the material is so smooth. I love it. I'm a material person. I like to feel, I want it to feel good, to look good, and to make curve, you know, to hug your curves on your body. These are actually jeans, and I love the distressed look on them at the knee. And they are like a boot cut, you know, a skinny jean. These were actually only $10, which was a great deal because they're generally 70, from 70 to 10. So great price. And I always feel like if you are afraid to do color, having pops of color like this, like in a pair of jeans or top or something where you can easily swap out, you could bring this in, you can wear it with a white shirt or a black shirt. You could make it more neutral if you're not a color person, is a great buy, and they're inexpensive. You know, I don't like to spend a lot of money on trends. I'd rather spend a least amount of money on trends and more money on classic pieces, so that way my wardrobe has more bang for its buck. And these are, again, $10, okay? Another thing that I got, well, let me see. Well, I'm going to go to this jacket since we're in the same store. I was floored with these. These are some great buys. Now look at this. Look at the print on this jacket. I'm a moto jacket type of girl. I love a blazer and I love a moto jacket. And to me, you can wear these with jeans. You can wear them with leggings. You can wear them with dresses. Everything. Look at the lining in here. Red line, okay? Look at the detail. It's like a, I don't know what type of print this is. It reminds me like a tire tread coming down on both arms. I love it. Silver buckles and zippers, so cute. $130, and this was only $30, $29.95. Like, and this is a nice heavy jacket. Like, you can wear this even in the winter time as long as it's not too cold. But it's enough room under here in this jacket that if I wanted to wear a sweater, I can definitely wear this in the winter time. Fall, spring, most definite. Cute, cute, amazing buy to me. I love it. And because it was so nice, I had to get it twice. And I always wanted a red jacket, like a bottle jacket, but I never bought one before. But how could I say no to this? Look at this. Oh, listen here. Listen here. Look at this. Again, it does have this silver, but look at these arms. Like, can you say hello, lover? Okay? With some boots. Oh my gosh, think about some tights. You can wear rocker chic. You can wear chic, whatever you like to do. And look at the back. It's just one of those jackets that, to me, you can wear this for a long time. I mean, it really is. It has these snaps on it. It's one of those jackets that will last you for a test time. And again, this is a heavy jacket. $130, $30, that's $100 off. Like, this was an unbelievable buy. I'm so happy about that. Look at that one. Another store that I went to is for us ladies. You know, it's always good to have nice lingerie or bras and underwears. And I have to tell you, I have purchased some bras from this store before and really like the material. Well, let me tell you something. Not only did I get a few bras, the prices on these were absolutely ridiculous. This is a nice bra with a front closure. And look at the back. The back is everything, love. Look at that back for a shirt where you have your back out right here with that, and then you have this cute, cozy, comfortable back right here where you can wear these if you're going out to the gym, or you can wear them. But because of this right here, you can wear them with a dress or a top. Very cute and sexy. And do you see this? Oh, the price is not on here. $3. This is every bit of a 20-something bra. Like, and then it has like this padding in the inside. I have a bra. Actually, I bought one like this before and love it. And so, here, the prices on this one. They both were the same price. But great price, great quality. I mean, look how cute that is. And then again, if you wanted to wear it to the gym, it's has this air pocket right here. This mesh almost. And then the back, and this is so cute. Like, how adorable is that? Great price. And this one they both have underwire. And I've had this bra, I actually had this one in black. And washed it, worn it 1,000 times, seemed like, and is in great condition. So for this to be so inexpensive, that was a great deal from Route 21. I mean, would not have thought about that, but definitely. And these tights, okay, I don't know if you can see it, they cream, but they're thick. These are nice, thick, look at that, again, fleece inside. So these are winter tights, great to wear with boots, to be warm. $2. Like, this was a fabulous deal, and this is every bit of like a $20 or more tight, if not more, because they're really in great condition. I mean, nice and warm for the winter time. And I love the color. Who doesn't love a winter white, you know? Wearing this, you could wear it with a blazer or some heels or some boots. I am in love. with that. I hope you know you like these. If you have a favorite item, put the favorite item that you like down in the description box, in the comment section, and let me know. I think so. You know, out of mine, I love this red coat and these white dresses. I just love them very much. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you again. And as always, laugh, love, live life to the fullest. And don't forget to live your passion. Bye. Thank you for watching.